Hello class. Today my speech will be on the need to switch to renewable energy now. This will be one of my presentation aids. Let's get started. Sorry, all over the place here. So, effects of climate change. Fossil fuel combustions send carbon dioxide into the outside world, causing climate change and global warming. Rising sea levels, more prevalent and severe storms, and ecological disturbance are the results of this. As we see the catastrophic repercussions on our world, it is obvious that action is needed immediately. United Nations of 2022. Degradation of the environment, fossil fuel production, transportation, and consumption have seriously harmed the ecosystem. Wildlife and their natural habitats have suffered as a result of the oil spills, pollution in the air, and habitat degradation, among other impacts. To save the fragile ecosystems of the earth, we must deal with these concerns. Finite fossil fuels, non-renewable fossil fuels having finite reserves include oil, coal, and natural gas. Energy security is an increasing worry as we keep trying to exhaust these limited resources. Finding a sustainable alternative to current energy source is essential. Renewable energy source potential. One of the most prevalent and easily available sources of renewable energy is solar electricity. Sunlight is converted into power by photovoltaic cells, and solar panels may be mounted on buildings in deserts along with in space. Solar energy is a potential option for generating sustainable electricity because the sun's energy is practically endless. Wind energy to generate electricity. Wind turbines use the momentum of the wind. On land of the coasts, wind farms may be built to take benefit of the Earth's regular wind patterns. A dependable and clear source of energy, wind energy can power large towns with no harm to the environment, utilizing the energy of flowing water to produce electricity and hydropower. Dams along with additional water-related structures can be utilized to regulate water flow, enabling reliable power production. A well-established technology with an established history of producing sustainable energy and hydropower. Here is another little small job aid that I have at the top of one of these. Fossil fuel production, transportation, and consumption have seriously harmed the ecosystem. Wildlife and their natural habitats have suffered as a result of oil spills, pollution to the air, and habitat degradation, among other impacts. To save the fragile ecosystems of the earth, we need to tackle these concerns. Natural gas, coal, and oil are examples of fossil fuels. These non-renewable resources have finite supplies. Energy security is an increasing worry as we keep trying to exhaust these limited resources. Finding a sustainable alternative to current energy sources is essential. Overcoming obstacles to the adoption of renewable energy. Energy storage, first, intermittency is one of the problems with renewable energy. Utilizing effective energy storage technologies such as battery packs can assist in storing extra energy produced during peak times for usage during periods of low output. Grid integration. In order to handle the dispersed nature of sources of renewable energy, electricity networks must be upgraded and modernized. Electricity distribution may be effectively managed by smart grids, which can also balance demand with supply. Public perception, it's critical to dispel misinformation and mistrust about renewable energy sources. Public awareness of the advantages, dependability, and affordability of green energy can lead to a rise in acceptability and support. So that was the end of my speech. Thank you.